Hello, it's me. The holiday season is coming and I know a lot of you are looking for gifts, and a gift card to Judith B is an awesome gift. Just tell your friends. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to get that gift card. So you're going to go to judithb.net, and on the top of the first page, you're going to go all the way to the right until you hit shop, and then you're going to hit gift card. It's going to take you to our Mevo Build Your eGift Right page, and it's connected to your account. So go ahead and log in. I already have my information saved, so I can log in easily. And I can check my own gift card balance, which I don't have, but if I did, I would put the number in there and it would give you my gift card. And then I can go ahead and buy a gift for a friend or a family member. So I can do an e-gift where I fill in the information, I pick what kind of card it is. Our default is birthday, but you can change this to whatever you want. I'm not sure why there isn't a holiday edition. I'll look into that for a minute, but go ahead and pick whatever you want. I also don't understand why our logo is like this. I'm going to talk to Mevo about that, but I'll get back to you. Anyway, you go ahead and fill out the e-gift information, and then you could purchase the amount. You can pick one of these presets, or you can do whatever you want, like $1 bazillion. Just kidding. Anyway, so then you purchase it, and you follow whatever. Check out. I can't check out because I haven't technically purchased it. So you can go ahead and check out, and then you're going to get confirmation in your email. Now you can also have a physical gift card mailed to your friend or family member. So just hit this one where it says mail, and then it's going to give you the option of the same thing. It's an e-gift. How much do you want? And then you're going to check out. But instead, this is going to give us notification on the register up front, and it's going to tell us, hey, so-and-so wants you to send a physical gift card to so-and-so. And we will go ahead and wrap it up for you and mail it snail mail. You can also have the option of picking it up. So click on pick up. Same thing, fill out all the information. This is the to and from, what you're doing it with, and then how much, and go ahead and check out. And then this will give us a notification that you're actually coming into the salon to pick up. So go ahead and do that. Obviously, you cannot pick up when we're closed. No one's going to open the door, but you can come during our business hours and someone will definitely be there. You can have also the options of the e-gifts being activated immediately, right, like today, or you can change it so that the gift card can have a different date. Like let's say their birthday is the 30th and you don't want the gift card to start until the 30th. I don't know why you wouldn't want to give it to them earlier, but whatever. When you purchase a gift card in Illinois, they do not expire. Unless it's a gift card with a sale or voucher, those actually expire. But if you actually purchase a gift card with money, credit card, whatever, that does not expire because it's the same as cash. I just want you to understand that. You can also pick up the gift card at your earliest convenience. We say we'll be ready in 24 hours, and then you'll tell us when you're picking it up. So you have those options as well. But anyway, that is how you build your e-gift by email, mail, or pickup. And I hope you enjoyed this video.